this is Frank and welcome back to Travel Tips, and today I want to talk about booking hotels. Now there's quite a few places where I go and I register for their rewards program. I'm a platinum member of Intercontinental. I always get an upgrade, bottle of wine, free drinks. I love traveling with them. But if I'm staying in another hotel, I'm also with Hilton, Marriott, but if I'm staying anywhere else and I have to get a hotel, there's so many sites you can go to. You can go to Trivago, hotels.com, bookings.com, or you can just go to TripAdvisor. The one I try to use most of the time is hotels.com. Now the rates there are very similar. I think Expedia owns just about all of the same sites. So if I go into hotels.com, what I love about them is once you've booked 10 nights, you get 1 night free. So I try to do that all the time. If I'm doing a long trip away, maybe 15, 20 nights away, I'll book it through there and I know I'm getting 2 free nights. Also being owned by Expedia and using so many hotels, I'm now, I think, a gold or a platinum member. And even if I'm booking a hotel via a third party with hotels.com, when I get there, I'm welcomed in. And a lot of the times I'm now given an upgrade. So there's a little thing, try and stick to one of those. And I would say hotels.com is the one I use.